Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Let's dive into the topic of random variables in probability and statistics. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of random variables, their types, and how to work with them using Python for practical examples. What is a random variable? A random variable is a numerical outcome of a random phenomenon. It is a function that assigns a real number to each outcome in a sample space. There are two main types of random variables. 1. Discrete random variables. These can take on a countable number of values. For example, the number of heads in 10 coin tosses. 2. Continuous random variables. These can take on an infinite number of values within a given range. For example, the height of individuals in a population. Probability distributions. Random variables have associated probability distributions that describe the likelihood of each possible value. For discrete random variables, we often use the probability mass function, PMF. For continuous random variables, we use the probability density function, PDF. Expectation and variance. Expectation, mean, the average value of a random variable. Variance, a measure of the dispersion of a set of values, indicating how much the values differ from the mean. Example, discrete random variable. Let's consider a simple example involving a discrete random variable, rolling a fair six-sided die. Step 1, define the PMF. The PMF for a fair die is as follows. P, x equals 1, equals 1/6. P, x equals 2, equals 1/6. P, x equals 3, equals 1/6. P, x equals 4, equals 1/6. P, x equals 5, equals 1/6. P, x equals 6, equals 1/6. Step 2, calculate the expectation and variance. The expectation \e, x, \, can be calculated as \e, x, equals \sum, x asterisk p, x equals x, \, and the variance var, x, is given by \var, x, equals e, x caret 2, e, x, caret 2 \. Step 3, Python code example. We'll use Python to simulate rolling a die and calculate the expectation and variance. Python. Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. PMF for a fair six-sided die. Outcomes equals np.array, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Probabilities equals np.array, 1/6 asterisk 6. Calculate expectation. Expectation equals np.sum, outcomes asterisk probabilities. Print, f expectation, mean expectation. Calculate variance. Variance equals np.sum, outcomes, expectation, 2 asterisk probabilities. Print, f variance, variance. Simulate rolling the die 10,000 times. Number underscore rolls equals 10,000. Rolls equals np.random.choice, outcomes, size equals number underscore rolls, p equals probabilities. Plot the results. plt.hist, rolls, bins equals np.arrange, 0.5, 7.5, 1, density equals true, alpha equals 0.6, color equals G, edge color equals black. plt.sticks, outcomes. plt.slabel, die face. plt.elabel, probability. plt.title, PMF of a fair six-sided die. plt.grid. plt.show. Example, continuous random variable. Now let's look at a continuous random variable. A common example is the height of a population, which can be modeled using a normal distribution. Step 1, define the PDF. The PDF of a normal distribution is given by \f x equals \frac1 \sigma \sqrt2 pi e caret dash \frac x \mu caret 2 sigma caret 2 where \mu is the mean and sigma is the standard deviation. Step 2, use Python to generate data. We'll generate a set of normally distributed data and visualize it. Python. Import numpy as np. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Import seaborn as sns. Parameters for the normal distribution. Mu equals 170 mean. Sigma equals 10 standard deviation. Generate normally distributed data. Data equals np.random.normal, mu, sigma, 1000. Plot the histogram. sns.histplot, data, kde equals true, stat equals density, bens equals 30, color equals blue, alpha equals 0.6. plt.title, height distribution. plt.slabel, height, cm. plt.elabel, density. plt.grid. plt.show. Calculate expectation and variance. Expectation equals np.mean, data. Variance equals np.var, data. Print, f expectation, mean expectation. Print, f variance, variance. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of random variables, their types, and important concepts like expectation and variance. We also provided practical examples using Python to simulate and visualize discrete and continuous random variables. Understanding random variables and their distributions is crucial in statistics and probability, and these concepts serve as the foundation for more advanced topics.